Click on the link below to get price. The Hollowell Industries Doughboy Pool, measuring 27 feet in diameter and 52 inches in depth, presents itself as a noteworthy option for families and individuals seeking an above-ground swimming pool. This pool is part of a long-established brand known for its durable and easy-to-install designs, which can be an appealing feature for those considering a home swimming solution. The Doughboy Pool is constructed with materials designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Specifically, it features a galvanized steel frame, which adds to its structural integrity and resistance to rust and corrosion. The pool's liner is crafted from heavy-duty vinyl, providing both a smooth surface for swimmers and a level of durability that can handle regular use. Its size is ample, allowing for a comfortable swimming experience for multiple users at once, whether for leisurely paddling or for organized pool activities. One of the key attributes of this pool is its installation process. For many homeowners, installing an above-ground pool can be a daunting task. However, the design of the Doughboy Pool aims to simplify this process. While some assembly will be required, the kit generally comes with clear instructions that can guide users through the setup. It is advisable to have a level area in your yard prepared prior to installation, as this ensures the pool's stability and longevity. In terms of maintenance, the Hollowell Industries Doughboy Pool is designed with user experience in mind. Regular upkeep, such as maintaining water chemistry and cleaning the pool, is essential for ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming environment. The pool's size allows for a significant volume of water, and users might find that employing a filtration system enhances water clarity and cleanliness. As with any product, potential buyers should consider their local climate and space availability. The 27-foot diameter may require a larger yard, and regional weather conditions should be taken into account when planning installation and usage. In conclusion, the Hollowell Industries Doughboy Pool offers a sizable and durable option for those looking to invest in an above-ground pool. Its construction, ease of installation, and maintenance-friendly design make it a practical choice for various users. As you explore your options, this pool could serve as a valuable addition to your outdoor living space, providing both fun and relaxation throughout the swimming season.